Is that your message for Prime Minister Sunak and President Biden?
Absolutely. I invite them to come with me. I literally invite all of them. I even invite you today, Piers. Come with me and let's go together and we just look at what are the ground facts and we see them together.
You know, I don't think I have your courage. Honestly, I think what you've done is an incredibly courageous thing. I think to go to the heart of Gaza right now, particularly with Israel now threatening to attack Rafah.
Yeah.
It's hard to imagine a more dangerous place on earth. Over 100 journalists, I think, have been killed there. I don't think I have that in me to do what you've just done, honestly. I hope they're watching, these world leaders, and I hope they're listening. But I'm not sure I would want world leaders there because it's too dangerous.
One thing which I really want to highlight is that this European hospital is the last remaining functional hospital in Gaza. If anything happens to this hospital, that will be, I cannot even explain in words what will happen to the local civilian population there. If for a population of nearly 2 million, like if there is no single working hospital there, what will happen? Where will they go? If your family is there, if your loved one is there, what will you do?